Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another one of these little hover balls. Now this one is a character, Marvel character, Iron Man. These are the ones you control with your hands, and we'll unbox it and show you how he flies. And here's the first one. This is Iron Man. Now this is one you control with your hands, okay? Let's open this little guy up. See how it is. Little power remote here. Extra propellers if you need them. There's your charging cable. Right there on the back is where you charge it. There he is, Iron Man, okay? Your on-off switch right there. Whoa! Turn it back off. We're not ready to fly him just yet. Stand him up right there. Here's your instruction sheet. It says on-off button on this little guy right here on the back. All right. Let's see what this little guy does. We hit that little button. No. Turn him on. Hit the off button and it shuts him off. That way you can catch him. They'll be hard to catch if you're controlling with your hand. Alright. So, charging port says charging time 30 to 60 minutes. Control him with your hand, make him go up and down. Flip the switch on, hold the UFO with your fingers. Let the UFO go. It floats up and down, sensing any object underneath it. That'd be your hand, okay? Move your hand closer to the UFO and it will fly up. Fly up further away, it'll fly down. To turn it off so you can catch it, hit the little button on the back of the Iron Man little thing here, and it shuts him off and you can catch him, all right? I think we're ready to fly this little guy. May have to charge it, but we'll see if it's got any power in it. If it don't, we'll charge it. When you're ready to charge this little guy, see, there he is, Iron Man. Turn him around. Right there's a charging port. Charging cable. Plug it in. Set him down right there. Plug it into the USB port of your PC or your phone charger, whichever. And you can see a little light lights up on the center there. He's red. When that's on, it's charging. When he's through charging, that light will go out. So just set him down and let him charge. They said it takes 30 to 60 minutes to get the first charge. So probably after you've charged it a couple times, just 30 minutes will probably do it. All right, here he is, Iron Man. Turn him on right there. Yeah, it comes on. Now remember the shield, the button on the back shuts him down. Hold it for just a second. Looks like if you just push it, it speeds up and slows down. So that starts him back up. All right, let's do a little flying here. What do you say? Well, looks like he's gone crazy. Had to shut him down. Start him back up again. What do you say? That shut him down, okay. Starts him, shuts him down. Starts him, all right. Boy, he's tough to hang on to. While you got the switch on in the back, he's red right there. Push the button, he'll start. All right, let's see if we can fly him a little bit. Wow. He don't fly real good. He lost an arm too. I'll have to put that back on him. Try this again. What do you say? He's on. He doesn't want to fly very good. You see that? He doesn't recognize your hand too good, so I don't know about this guy. Try this again. Turn it back on. I don't know about this guy. He just doesn't fly too good. Iron Man. Should we try it again? All right, we'll try it one more time. You don't want to fly. It's like it's going backwards or something, maybe. I don't know. He just doesn't want to fly. Well, anyhow, there he is, Iron Man. We got one called the Incredible Hulk. We'll try him too. So, all right, there he is. I wasn't real happy with this guy. He didn't want to recognize your hand, so you couldn't control him in the air. He just didn't want to fly. He didn't see my hand for some reason when he was up in the air, so I couldn't control him. So I guess I can't recommend this. Maybe I just got a bad one. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.